A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to first trading day of the week and a month at Dalal Street dated 1st of June 2020. Well, the pandemic is not over yet, but the good news is that most of the shopping malls, religious places, hotels and restaurants will be back in operations from June 8. Actually, Lockdown 5.0 has been transformed into Unlock 1.0 as we witness a phased-wise reopening of the economy. Now, before we proceed further, here are the list of activities that will remain prohibited throughout India from today. First, international flights. Second, metro train services. Third, cinema halls, gyms, swimming pools, entertainment parks, theatres. Fourth, large gatherings like those relating to social, political, sports, entertainment, academic, cultural, religious. Now here are key things to know before today's market open. First, the street will spy with one big eye if Nifty could again shrug off rising tensions between Washington and Beijing over Hong Kong. As per latest media reports, the Chinese camp looked overconfident and also an unstoppable economic giant rising across the globe and most importantly, poised to displace the US. Trump in his latest statement accused China of continually violating its promise to us, but did not mention ending a Phase 1 trade agreement or sanctioning China more directly in his comments. Second, gold futures are in limelight as China-US tensions spur safe haven buying. Third, auto sales figures for May 2020 will trickle in today. Reports have suggested that there has been an increase in inquiries for passenger vehicles and two-wheelers in May, especially in rural areas amidst the reopening of shops. Fourth, the street will also closely eye arrival of monsoon. Timely arrival of monsoon is critical for agricultural production as well ensure kharif crops get sown properly. Fifth, as per Friday's provisional data available on the NSE, FI has bought shares worth Rs 1460.71 crores in the Indian equity market. Sixth, important Q for earnings to trickle in today, V-Guard. From a chartist standpoint, the technical landscape for swing traders has improved considerably after the benchmark snapped a 3-week losing streak in the week gone by, indicating the worst is gone, at least with inter-week perspective. The Nifty and Sensex will now attempt to move above the bearish island reversal pattern that was witnessed on May 4th. So, major confirmation of strength if Nifty, Sensex moves above 9,889 and 33,887 respectively. Inter-week supports for Sensex are placed at 31,525 and then major supports at 39,01. The corresponding levels on Nifty are at 9,393 and then major supports at 9,121 mark. Buying on dip should be the preferred strategy for the day. That's in line with our call of the day which suggests that ride the bullish wave until the music stops. We suspect fear of missing out, FOMO, is also likely to rule traders' mindset. Options data for 25th June suggests Nifty's maximum call open interest seen at 10,000 strike price. This 10,000 level will act as a crucial resistance in the June series. Nifty's maximum put open interest seen at 9,000 strike price. This 9,000 level will act as a crucial support in the June series. Bank Nifty's maximum call open interest seen at 20,000 strike price and maximum put open interest seen at 18,000 strike price. India VIX has moved to 30 levels which indicates positive and in favor of bulls. Our chart of the day is bullish on HDFC Life, SBI Life, McDowell, Dr. Reddy's Lab and Poly Medicure. We suspect these stocks will emerge unscathed from the coronavirus crisis and actually can come out stronger than before the outbreak. We expect the stocks to fetch 30 to 35% returns in a year's time frame. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022 4076 7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.